Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can fly a jet in Battlefield 6. So with the mouse you can see I'm moving the wings, and it controls basically if you want to go up or down or roll. So imagine that your mouse is just a joystick. Of course with the left click you can shoot with machine gun, with the right click you can target it and then shoot it. By clicking on by clicking on 4, you will choose a cannon or a precision missile, and by clicking on, let me see, and by clicking on 3, you will shoot flares. So if you get targeted, you just shoot flares. So basically to get up, click W and drag your mouse backwards and you'll get up, and to turn, hold A and just roll your mouse to the left, and if you want to go to the right, just hold it D on your keyboard and hold your mouse to the right. So just simply how you control it. If you want to go up and slow down, so just click on S and drag your mouse up. As you can see, that's how you go backwards. And you can fly like this, of course. Just hold W and control with your mouse. It's not that hard to do. So simply just imagine that you're with joystick and controlling WASD. So that's simple. That's how you do it in Battlefield 6. So that's how you control jet in Battlefield 6. You can use afterburner to go faster. So hold it on shift, and as you can see, I'm going now pretty fast. So that's how you control jet in Battlefield 6. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.